As the world shifts toward more sustainable building practices, homeowners and builders in Orangeburg, South Carolina, are becoming increasingly aware of the environmental impact of their construction choices. One of the most effective ways to improve a building's sustainability is by incorporating energy-efficient windows. These windows not only help to reduce energy consumption but also offer a range of other benefits, from enhanced comfort to long-term savings. In this article, we'll explore the role of energy-efficient windows in sustainable building and why they are an essential component of eco-friendly construction in Orangeburg. Reducing energy consumption. One of the primary advantages of energy-efficient windows is their ability to reduce energy consumption. In Orangeburg, where summers can be hot and humid, and winters are chilly, maintaining a comfortable indoor temperature can be costly without the right insulation. Traditional windows, especially older models, often fail to provide adequate insulation, allowing heat to escape in the winter and letting warm air enter during the summer. This leads to overworked heating and cooling systems and higher energy bills. Energy-efficient windows, on the other hand, are designed with insulating materials such as double or triple glazing, gas fills, and low-E coatings. These features work together to keep your home at a stable temperature by minimizing heat transfer. By reducing the workload on your HVAC system, energy-efficient windows help lower energy consumption, which translates to significant cost savings over time. Lowering carbon footprint. Energy-efficient windows also play a crucial role in reducing a building's carbon footprint. The carbon footprint refers to the amount of greenhouse gases emitted into the atmosphere due to human activities, including the burning of fossil fuels for energy. When your windows prevent heat loss or gain, they reduce the need for excessive heating and cooling, which directly lowers the amount of energy required to maintain a comfortable indoor climate. By using less energy, homeowners contribute to a reduction in carbon emissions, which is essential for combating climate change. This is particularly important in Orangeburg, where there is a growing emphasis on sustainability and eco-friendly living. Installing energy-efficient windows is a simple but effective way to minimize your environmental impact while enhancing your home's performance. Increasing indoor comfort. Energy-efficient windows are designed not only to save energy but also to enhance indoor comfort. In Orangeburg's climate, temperature fluctuations between seasons can create drafts and uneven heating or cooling. Poorly insulated windows often allow cold air to seep in during winter and allow cool air to escape during the summer, making it harder to maintain a consistent indoor temperature. By replacing old windows with energy-efficient models, you can achieve better temperature regulation. Features like double or triple glazing trap air between the panes, acting as a barrier against the outside temperature. This helps to keep your indoor environment comfortable throughout the year, without the need to constantly adjust your thermostat. The result is a more comfortable living space that is free from drafts and temperature extremes. Improving the value of your property. As sustainable building practices become more popular, homes equipped with energy-efficient features are becoming increasingly attractive to buyers. Installing energy-efficient windows is an investment that can boost the overall value of your property. Not only does it improve the energy performance of your home, but it also increases its marketability in an eco-conscious real estate market. Homebuyers today are more likely to prioritize homes with energy-efficient features, such as windows that offer improved insulation and reduce energy costs. In addition, homes with energy-efficient windows often have lower utility bills, which is an appealing selling point for prospective buyers. If you plan to sell your home in the future, energy-efficient windows will give you an edge in a competitive housing market in Orangeburg and beyond. Enhanced noise reduction. Another often overlooked benefit of energy-efficient windows is their ability to reduce outside noise. This is particularly beneficial if your home is located near busy roads, schools, or other noise-prone areas. Traditional windows with single-pane glass are often poor at blocking out external noise, leading to a disrupted indoor environment. Energy-efficient windows, especially those with double or triple glazing, are designed to provide better sound insulation. The additional layers of glass and gas-filled spaces between the panes act as barriers to sound, helping to reduce noise pollution. This results in a quieter and more peaceful home, making it easier to relax, sleep, or work without being disturbed by external noise. Government incentives and rebates for homeowners in Orangeburg. The financial benefits of installing energy-efficient windows extend beyond long-term savings on energy bills. Many federal, state, and local programs offer incentives or rebates for homeowners who invest in energy-efficient upgrades. These incentives can help offset the upfront cost of window replacement, making it more affordable to upgrade your home to a more sustainable standard. By taking advantage of these programs, you can reduce the overall cost of your window replacement project while contributing to a greener environment. Consult with a local contractor or window supplier in Orangeburg to see which incentives or rebates are available in your area. Durability and longevity. Energy-efficient windows are not only designed to improve performance but are also built to last longer than traditional windows. Many energy-efficient windows are made from high-quality materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or low-E glass, which are resistant to weathering, warping, and fading. This means that once installed, energy-efficient windows will perform well for many years without the need for frequent repairs or replacements. The longevity of these windows reduces the need for constant maintenance and replacement, saving you money over the life of the window and reducing the amount of waste sent to landfills. Conclusion. Energy-efficient windows are a key component of sustainable building in Orangeburg. They not only enhance the comfort and security of your home but also contribute to reducing your environmental impact and lowering your energy costs. By investing in energy-efficient windows, you're making an eco-friendly choice that adds value to your home, improves indoor comfort, and supports sustainable living. Whether you're building a new home or upgrading your existing property, energy-efficient windows are an essential upgrade that benefits both you and the planet.